Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the Apple Watch Ultra. Yes, I have a new band for it. I currently have this blue, gray, tan trail loop band that's originally from Apple. And I can tell you just by wearing it this last couple hours, it feels very, very good. Like even tightening it up so that way when you look down the barrel, it keeps a tight profile around the actual Apple Watch Ultra. I love how it sits and I love the shape of the Apple Watch Ultra so far. Now, that being said, I also have a new band that I wanted to put on here, and I'm hoping that you guys are gonna end up liking it too because right now it's fine. I'll leave that alone because I'm gonna end up taking this off and putting it right back on. But I grabbed me a watch band from Amazon. It's a nice leather strap and a leather watch band. Links will be in the description box for you guys. And I think you guys will enjoy this just as much as I am because I'm looking forward to what this would look like on the Apple Watch Ultra. So without further ado, let's get into it. I want to open it here, slide the tray out, and look at that. It looks very pristine, very clean. I kind of like the yellow stitching with it, giving a nice uniform look, especially when in regards to the orange action button or side button, if you will, workout button, whatever you want to call it. The orange in terms of the detail of the crown, and with this nice titanium color and look, it looks very, very good in terms of its profile already. So when you factor in a nice watch band that can complement this titanium, why not go with something like leather? And so I'm going to be definitely trying out new and different types of bands. I think just for quick reference, the titanium looks very similar to the, if not the same exact color as the framing of the iPhone 15 Pro's titanium. So that's also nice to see there. But yes, I've been oogling and googling with this Apple Watch Ultra because I'm definitely in amazement in terms of what it looks like, and I'm very excited to just try these new things out because having the Apple Watch SE, although a very nice watch, it's not the Apple Watch Ultra. And so now I get to experience something like this. And let's go ahead and get it in. So as we know, we see the little button right here that you press, slides out. So much easier, so much better, so much more comfortable. I know for me, I have to remember if I ever want to put this back on, I need to make sure that the trail loop piece is actually on the inside. And so for me, I just have to remember that because it's how I like to orient my watches and my watch band, so it's easy for me to put on and take off. Now, in terms of the watch bands, when they're like this, is fairly simple, self-explanatory. And as you guys see, I have my Apple Watch Ultra oriented with the buttons on the interior since I wear it on my right wrist, with the actual action button on the outside, or in other words, near the forearm. And so that's how I like to wear it. And so for those reasons, this is why this piece for the Apple Watch is going to actually slide in from this side. And once it slides in, it's locked in place. And already you can tell that there's some decent detail here in terms of the loop. Like it makes it still feel a little gapless, and just in terms of the edging, as you guys can see, right there, it doesn't come off too far. It's actually very, very well aligned. That's something that I like. And I like that this leather is malleable, or in other words, it's flexible. It's not rigid and hard and it has to break in. I like the fact that it is already a bit soft and flexible to the touch. So that's going to make it real easy to actually install on the wrist once we get everything all put together. And so as you see here, it says genuine leather on the inside right there. And as you know, this is how it's going to end up going on the watch. And I can already tell this is going to be a winner here. Winner, chicken dinner in terms of the leather. And oh my goodness, already it's winning my attention. Wow, what a look. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Just beautiful. And oh yeah, just come on now. Well, come on. What are we doing? So now let's go ahead and put this on. Now it does feel like this is a little bit long, so I hopefully that there's no problems with having to find. Okay, good. So oh yeah, and staring down the barrel again, this nice sleek profile is exactly what you want with a watch band like this. I just hope this isn't too long, because I hate when these parts of the watch bands are a little extra long to the tooth and they stick out really far like that. So this is where you have to take this little piece right here and just slide it all the way to the end, so that way it can close that profile of the watch. And so as I do that here, hopefully it doesn't do a lot of moving and grab a couple hairs of mine. But what a tight profile otherwise. I have a 6.25 inch wrist, 6.25 inches, and this feels very, very good. This is definitely going to be rocked over my trail loop band, and that's just simply because this is a band that's already been worn and used. So I want to get something a little original, something that I can use, and maybe I'll even buy a new trail loop band from Apple or a trail loop band from Amazon that can still provide this level of comfort and texture and feel and quality. But this leather is definitely staying on here, because I don't have any leather watch bands for my Galaxy Watch Ultra. This watch is right now just silicone, metal, steel, and then I think I have a titanium coming in. Don't hold me to it right now. I don't have a leather band for that, and I don't know if I will buy one for that. But for this Apple Watch Ultra, it's perfect for a leather watch band, and here it is right here. So links will be down in the description box for you guys for this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below in terms of leather on the Apple Watch Ultra. Does it look good? Do you like leather watch bands, or do you stick to silicone or rubber or metal, steel, titanium? The comment section is open for discussion. Again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so I'll free that once the video, so you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. Don't forget to hit that super thanks button down there by the like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's way to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. It's your man Micah signing out. Until the next video, wait for